Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. And today in this video I'm going to be doing a review on this AK12 AG. And this gun has a okay FPS at 280 FPS. It's got an okay range and stuff like that. But you just need to get this box aside and you need to take a look at what's inside. Here's the instructions. Well, here's the instructions right here, and then here's some warranty information. Here's the gun. Mostly polymer construction. It's got some metal parts, like this is metal right here. Barrel's metal. Oh, and here's the magazine. It's got a hop up right here. It's got two sling attachments. One right here and one in the back. But the sling they include, which is right here, it can't hook around that. It can hook around the front one, but not the back one. So I used some paracord, and it's actually worked out pretty okay so far. But yeah, here's safety, and you can adjust it from being safe, semi, and then full auto. Stock, you can take the stock off, but since the battery is held in stock, you can't use it. Here's the battery. Here's how you put it in. You just, stick it in and then connect both points. And then you just have to stuff everything else inside and put the cap on. Here's what it sounds like. That was full, and then here's semi, and of course safe. Here's the wall charger right here. And they do include an unjamming rod. Just stick it down the barrel and unjam any PVs. And that's all. The magazine is high cap, so that's good for it's better in my opinion. Mid caps can seem to be more realistic for like maybe millisieverts or something like that. But yeah, this gun on Airsoft, it's on Airsoft Megastore for I think around $70. But I got it on sale for Christmas. That was pretty good. Yeah, it's a pretty nice gun. One thing I do like is that the actual front sight is not orange like I see on some other AKs. And it does have rails on the top, rails on the bottom, so that's pretty good. Easy to just go and pick up like a $14 red dot sight and just put it on there and you get foregrip or something. So yeah, has hop up. It's really all you need to get going. And here's the sights. It comes like this when you get it out of the box. So what I would recommend is just sliding it up to about here so you can actually look down the sights. Otherwise, you can't really do it. Yeah, but all in all, it's a pretty good gun. I haven't really had any problems with it except that the battery doesn't last very long, so that's one downside. But yeah, Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please let me know in the comment section. And see you later.